The Warka Vase, dated 3000 BCE, was discovered at Uruk in 1934 in the temple of Inanna, the goddess of love and fertility. Warka is the modern name of Uruk. The vase, made of alabaster and standing about a meter and weighing some 600 pounds. Beginning at the bottom, there is a pair of wavy lines from which grow neatly alternating plants that appear to be grain and reeds. Above this, a group of 9 identical men march to the left, holding a vessel. The top band of the vase, the center of the scene, appears a man and a woman facing each other. A smaller naked male holding a container which he offers to the woman.